Let's break down the top 10 things that you need to know before buying your very first hot tub. And we're going to work backwards, so make sure you stick around to the end for the number one thing that you need to be aware of. Number 10 is know your budget. Hot tubs can range from a few $1,000s to well over 10 grand. And don't forget to factor in delivery, setup, and ongoing maintenance costs. So you should really set a clear budget before shopping so that you don't fall in love with one that is out of your price range. Number 9 is placement matters. You will need a flat, sturdy surface that can support thousands of pounds. So make sure that there's easy access for delivery and for future repairs. Number 8 is consider the size. Think about how many people that will actually be using it at once. A cozy 2-person hot tub is very different than a family entertaining hot tub that seats 6, 7, 8 people. And larger hot tubs mean more space, but it also leads to higher costs and more water to heat. Number 7 is don't skimp on insulation. Good insulation saves energy and keeps water hotter for longer. So cheap hot tubs often lack proper insulation, which hikes up your electricity bill. So look for a full foam insulation for better heat retention and durability. Number 6 is to think about maintenance. Hot tubs need regular treatment, cleaning, and filter changes. And if you're not up for weekly maintenance, look into models with built-in sanitation systems like ozonators. And keeping your water balanced is key to avoiding cloudy water or skin irritation. Number 5 is understand the electrical setup. There are some hot tubs that are plug-and-play hot tubs, which just plug into standard outlets, but some need a 220-volt connection. This means that you're going to need to hire an electrician to do some wiring, and it is an extra cost, but it also allows the hot tub to heat up faster and run stronger jets. Number 4 is jet count isn't everything. More jets don't always mean a better massage. It's the placement, the pressure, and the pump strength that really makes the difference. Number 3, and probably the most controversial, is avoid going to a dealer. So unless you enjoy overpaying by thousands, skip the high pressure dealership. Dealers often mark up prices significantly and push models that you don't even need. So instead, shop online or direct from manufacturers for better deals and more transparency. Number 2 is check the warranty. A good warranty tells you the company stands behind its products. Look for coverage on the shell, the plumbing, and equipment for about 5 years. That's typically a good standard warranty. And finally, number 1 is research the brand. Not all hot tubs are created equal, so read reviews, ask questions, and go with a company known for quality and customer support. A reliable brand now means fewer headaches later. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to learn more about the best hot tubs on the market right now, then click the video that popped up on this video and watch it.